Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, November 3rd. I'm James Spann. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers, maybe some thunder today and tomorrow. After that, we'll be dry for a few days, and then a big cool down toward the latter part of next week. Let's go ahead and check things out early this morning. There's the water vapor satellite view across the country. It is a zonal flow here. Cold air up north will be trapped up there because of that flow. Becomes more high amplitude by the middle of next week. Early this morning, a little rain activity on radar. Rain showers over northwest Alabama at 5:04 when that image was captured. In fact, some pretty decent downpours over parts of Marion and Winston counties at that point, and we'll see those around today. Starting off the day mostly in the 60s. We got some cooler 50s on the eastern side of the state, and it's cold up north. They're in the teens and 20s. But again, for now, the cold air is going to be trapped up there. A very sharp gradient across the middle of the country there with that front that runs from near Cleveland down to almost Dallas-Fort Worth. But we stay in the warm air for the next several days. Up north, winter storm advisories and watches and warnings for parts of the northern states. Down here, things are quiet. Convective outlook today and tonight. Got a marginal risk of severe weather, mainly for North Mississippi and Southeast Arkansas. That does kind of clip the far northwestern part of the state, but I'd say the overall severe weather threat here is very low. Tomorrow, we've got a risk of thunder. No severe weather, but thunderstorms down into central Alabama, almost down to US 80. And day 3 looks active. Wow, this is Sunday. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather for cities like Indianapolis and Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland. And down here, again, we should be dry on Sunday for the most part. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and again, a pretty good gradient. The heavier totals over the northern third of the state, about 1 inch for the Tennessee Valley, amounts under 1/10 of an inch down south. And the tropics are quiet. So let's take a look at modeling and kind of walk you through each day. This is the 06Z GFS, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. Again, we got that cold trough in the northwest, a zonal flow here, a moist air mass, and a mostly cloudy day with a chance of scattered showers, maybe some thunder. High should be in the mid, maybe upper 70s today. The average high today would be right at 70. This is the high-resolution HER model, valid this evening at 7 o'clock. And it looks pretty good for the high school football games across the state tonight. We do note that convective cluster over North Mississippi, and that's kind of the idea. A batch of storms forms along Interstate 55 between Memphis and Jackson. And there's a chance that might blow in here after midnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. tomorrow. This is the NAM, we should point out, showing some thunderstorms and showers across the central part of the state. So wouldn't be shocked if we had actually our better chance of thunderstorms in the short term after midnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, while many of you are sleeping. Now, this is during the day tomorrow. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow coming off the GFS. And again, same deal. A lot of clouds around, the chance of scattered showers during the day, but it's not going to rain all day. And pretty warm, I'd say highs between 77 and 80. Let's check the old high-resolution NAM. This is valid at 5 o'clock tomorrow. And really, it's not showing much. Bodes pretty well for stuff outdoors. And again, could there be a shower? Absolutely. But they'll be fairly hit and miss. And then this is 8 o'clock Saturday night. Alabama LSU kicks off at 7. That looks pretty quiet. But again, we are going to mention the chance of a shower, but it's not especially likely. And again, the high Saturday, 77 to 80. Go to Sunday. The main action should be north of our state. I think the bulk of the day will be dry and warm with low 80s potentially. There could be some active convection north of here. Again, you saw that risk of severe weather for Chicago and Indianapolis and Detroit. Monday, a cold front north of us, but again, that looks warm and dry. Highs at or maybe just over 80, partly sunny. Tuesday, the front begins to ease to the south. That might bring some showers in here by late Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday night. And then Wednesday, we get into noticeably cooler air at 1032 high, kind of noses in, and the front passes through, and it looks like it'll, any showers there should be fairly light. And this is Thursday of next week. The front kind of becomes stationary. And the question is, do we need to keep a chance of rain going? For now, we'll leave Thursday dry, the high in the low 60s. And then Friday, big trough in the northwestern states. And for us, again, there might be enough moisture for a shower if this verifies, but it wouldn't be much of a big deal at all. And it's been clearly cooler out there toward the end of next week. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, the 12th of November. Big trough in the northwest, ridge over the Gulf of Mexico. That looks like there could be a few showers about. We'll check the numbers. Coming off the GFS ensemble, highs well up in the 70s through Tuesday. And again, don't be shocked if we saw maybe a low 80 in there, maybe Monday or Tuesday. But then the big cool down with highs maybe in the upper 50s perhaps by Thursday of next week. And after that, highs around 60 and lows down in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.